So along with the new number functions that we saw in the previous video, ES6 introduced some internationalization features via an internationalization object that allows you to format a number based on a geographical location. So to make use of this, you just need to construct a new number formatter and then specify a country code as a string, for example for the US, which can then be used to format a number when being output to the console or displayed at some part of your web application. So you can see the difference in the output on the right hand side, whereas just logging number to the console gives us the value that we stored inside the variable. Calling the format function with the number on the formatter object actually returns a nicely formatted string, which is separated by commas to denote the units, according to how that would appear for US users. So just to contrast that, if we were to choose a different country, say Germany, you can see the number is now separated by periods for the units, and the decimal is represented by a comma. We can even format this number further if we pass in another object with a few properties. So the object has a property style which we set as currency, and a currency property which we set as the currency code for the US. And you can see on the output on the right hand side that we now have a dollar symbol at the start of our formatted number. And again, just to contrast that with a different country, you can see how the currency symbol will vary depending on those internationalization settings for which country you're looking at. There's also another style which will handle percentages, or of course you can just set the style as decimal, which is the default behaviour. So there we have a nice way of formatting numbers with the internationalization object within ES6.